Everyone, we're going to talk about this folder that you have on your Math Schoology page that says 7th grade. So if you open it up, you see there's all the modules, modules 1 through 5, exam review, and then module 6. So usually the state exam is after module 5. The exam review folder, if you were to open it, it has all the Common Core exam questions sorted by their standards. So if you were to click on one, this is 7EE1. These would be all of the exam questions on that standard. So during the school year, you might see some of these questions on tests and quizzes. You'll notice right here, this says the year that that exam question came from. So what else is in this folder? So I'm going to go back and let's take a look. So what I did for you is I put the PDF file of every single one of my handouts for every module. I'm going to go to module 2. Lesson 1, we're probably going to skip. Lesson 2, because I did lesson 1 and 2 together, I would go here. And what's in here, if you happen to be absent or if you can't get to your OneNote for some reason, is I put the Embark video, which is a video of the entire lesson being taught by somebody else. I also put my PDF file, which has all of the handouts that you normally would have received in class. So Module 2, Lesson 2, the examples, the exercises, and then the homework, which is the problem set, generally. Okay, and what else is then in here is my notes. So when I wrote on the interactive whiteboard, I was able to always download my notes. So I'm actually giving you an answer key for every single lesson. So if you're ever absent, you can always go here to get the notes. You could always go here to look over your notes if you weren't able to write everything down. You might see some warm-up questions, like this is warm-up questions that in the past I went over, or in this case there was also this video. Sometimes I go over homework before the lesson starts, but eventually when you scroll down, you'll see the actual lesson. So this was page 6 in module 2, and there's a definition for additive inverse, me circling the information. Blue was positive number, red was negative number, showing we're doing addition and how it would be represented on the number line. So all the answers are handwritten in there from when I did it in class. If anything is skipped, that's because we didn't get to it in class. You'll notice here that that's where the homework was, which was the problem set. And in some situations, I do have that as a separate file. So in this case, that is a separate file. And you would be able to see the answers to the problem set questions. So again, this is not a resource for you to use to just get answers. This is a resource that if you're absent or if you're struggling and you want to be able to go back and check your work, that it's there for you. So like I said, I have done this for every single lesson that we have in each of these folders for modules 1 through 6 as a resource that is available to you. Again, the group that is in the advanced class, hold on, let me find it here. Here we go. You have a folder called 7th Advanced Math, and you have a similar thing. Module 1, which is 7th grade, Module 3, 7th grade, Module 4, 7th grade, but then you're going to do 6th grade, Module 6, which that one has my handouts in it, but it does not have an answer key because I have not taught it before. So it has a handout for the lesson and for the problem set. And then we have 7th grade Module 5, we have 7th grade exam questions, and then 8th grade Modules 1, 2, and 3, which again, they have for each of the lessons, the lesson and the problem set questions, and maybe some extra practice, but they do not have an answer key to them because I have not taught it in the past. So that's a quick summary of what is in that folder called 7th grade or 7th grade advanced for the one section as a resource for you guys to use. Thank you for your time.